Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening based on the time zones you are watching this video, and welcome to GV Salesforce. Today, as part of Salesforce LWC series, we are going to discuss about local properties and data binding in LWC. So let's get started. Property in the world of JavaScript refers to a variable or a field in Apex. What generally variable does? Variable is used to hold data. It can be a string, it can be a number, it can be an array, it can be an object. If a variable is just declared and without getting assigned any value, and by default it is undefined in JavaScript. So let's get into our code builder and see about these local properties. I'm trying to create a Lightning Web component. Explore local data binding is exposed. I'm setting it to true. I'm keeping targets as record page, app page, and home page. I'm trying to deploy. Okay, our component got created and I'm going into JavaScript file. Okay. Now we are first going to see about local properties. What I told earlier is local property is just a container to hold data. Let's say name equals to ZV Salesforce. I will say channel name. Say we want to declare an array in JavaScript. Array, I will say it as user array. A B C D E F G H I. I will just declare one variable and I will not assign anything to it. Say YouTube. I will not assign anything to it. Let's say age. I will say it as 25. Location. I will do it as string as Canada. I will declare a object now. Person is the object name. Person. And what are the properties we can define for a person? We'll declare it as name, some XYZ, his age is a number, let's keep it 35, gender, male. We'll declare one boolean as well. Show, show user, show channel name equals to true. See, we have declared some of the variables here: channel name, user array, YouTube, age, location, person, and show channel name. These all are these are the properties that are confined to this particular class. We can say these as local properties in JavaScript. Suppose if you want to access these variables or the local properties that we have declared in this uh, JavaScript file in the HTML, that is on the UI, you need to do uh, like there is a concept called data binding. It's the concept of data binding. Now, first we'll see how we can move data from JavaScript file to HTML file. What I will be doing is I will try to print our channel name that we have declared in the JavaScript onto our HTML. I will say like I will declare a strong tag. In order to bind any variable from JavaScript to HTML, you need to use two curly braces and the property or the variable name. We have declared the property or the variable name in camel casing. I will just copy the variable name from here and I will try to show it here on this page, and I will add the component just now that we have created to this page to see the changes. Explore local data binding is our component name. I will drag and drop here. I will give it a save. Got saved. See, our channel name is GV Salesforce. I'm trying to edit. Yeah, this is data binding. Like data binding is useful when you want to transfer data between JavaScript to HTML or vice versa. Okay, like in the template, in order to access the properties, if it is a primitive data type means it can be a string, boolean, or it can be an object. In order to access the inner properties of the object, like say here we have declared a property like of type object as person. Person has name, age, and gender as well. In order to access these variables, we need to use dot operator. I will show that as well. Person name is, we need to enclose that in curly braces, and I will take the property name person dot name and his age is person dot age. Show the person properties as well. Our channel name is GV Salesforce, person name is XYZ, and his age is 35. See, in order to access variables of a object, we need to use this dot operator. Property used in curly braces must be a valid JavaScript identifier. The property name that we are using in this curly braces, that must be a valid JavaScript identifier. And another best practice is we should avoid giving spaces next to the property name. That property name must be enclosed in curly braces without giving any spaces. And we'll now see how can we move data from HTML to JavaScript. Here I have declared a lightning input tag and I have declared a method like onChange. This onChange method is used to capture the changes that is being done in this lightning input tag. And if you go to the handler, that is handle change, this handle change comes with a parameter event. That event hold the changes, and I have given a console.log and I am trying to print the value by using event.target.value. Here you can see when I try to type gv space Salesforce channel and the handle change is getting work coming into action and it is trying to print the values. If I try to remove as well, the handle change will come into action and will capture the changes. We'll do one thing. We'll try to print the value here. the value that we have added there. Name entered is show user name. What I will do is instead of console logging, I will give a comment to it and I will try to assign that to show username. What we'll be doing is event dot target dot value. In order to access class variable, we'll need to append this at the beginning. This dot show username. LWC learning. Yeah. This is the data binding, that is from sending data from HTML to JavaScript. We'll go to our slide deck. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. That will be a great help to me and help this channel grow. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have a good day.